Hey, Stefan here. Do you hear that? Do you happen to have a dinosaur in your building? Oh geez. Yeah, dinosaurs, although portrayed as pretty cool in the most recent Jurassic World movies, are actually huge, dangerous, and old. You must be thinking,
but Stefan, dinosaurs are extinct. What are you even talking about?
well, I'm talking about your dinosaur of a fire alarm panel in your building that for some reason hasn't been upgraded in over 30 years. Oh, what's going on, everyone? FireAlarm.com is back with yet another new offer. Introducing the easiest way to upgrade your fire alarm system with FireAlarm.com. Fire and life safety technology, like any technology, is rapidly evolving from day to day, and what most people don't know is that it's incredibly important not only to keep your system maintained, but to also upgrade it every 10 to 15 years to ensure that you are always protected. No one wants a dinosaur inside of their building. Now you're probably thinking, upgrading is costly, and if my system is still working, then I don't have to upgrade. Due to your system's old age, it most likely is not operating at 100% capacity. With FireAlarm.com, you don't have to be locked into a fire alarm contract with any specific brand or dealer, which can save you big. FireAlarm.com aims to provide you with the best price and the easiest methods to upgrade or alter your current setup in order to have the latest and greatest in fire and life safety technology, while also complying with all local laws and codes. Our goal is to use as much of your existing system and wiring as possible, but swapping out all the old stuff with the brand new upgraded stuff. If your system is more than 10 years old, you're likely already paying a bunch of money to keep that dinosaur working. As you and I both know, keeping your old system free of troubles and working can be costly, especially since fire alarm manufacturers purposefully plan obsolescence of their parts, making it harder for you to keep your older system going, as these old parts also become extraordinarily expensive. One obsolete smoke detector, originally for $50, can now cost you $460. Most big name manufacturers want you to buy their newest systems, but all for additional costs and fees as they keep you locked into yearly contracts. FireAlarm.com is here to do away with all of that and give you the freedom that you need, while also giving you the best upgrade price, period. Whether you choose to rent, lease, install, or upgrade your fire alarm system. You heard that right. FireAlarm.com is offering something that no other fire alarm manufacturer is able to offer: the ability to rent or lease a brand new fire alarm system. Did you know that your fire alarm system is considered a capital improvement for your building or facility? You can deduct 100% of your fire alarm system upgrade from your taxes with FireAlarm.com. You probably upgrade your cell phone almost every year now, don't you? Why should the fire alarm system that is protecting you, your building, your colleagues, and your tenants be treated any differently? Call, email, or video chat us at FireAlarm.com right now and get out of the prehistoric age. Today, don't miss out on this brand new opportunity from FireAlarm.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.